The word we'll be learning in this section is uketori, which you will often hear in daily interactions such as receiving packages, documents, or daycare pickup scenarios. Get ready to explore its practical use and elevate your Japanese skills in no time. Uketori. Uketori. The word uketori means receiving or acceptance in English. It is commonly used when talking about accepting a delivery, receipt, or permission. The first kanji means receive or accept, and often shows that something is being taken in or experienced. You can see it in juken, where it gives the sense of receiving an exam opportunity, and in jushin, where it means receiving a message or signal. Think of it as the kanji that marks acceptance or reception. The second kanji means to take or fetch, and it usually indicates action of taking or obtaining something. In shutoku, it contributes the sense of obtaining or acquiring, and in toriageru, it shows the physical or figurative act of taking up or removing something. Remember this one when you want to talk about taking, getting, or picking something up. Please give me the receipt. 受け取りの書をください。受け取りの書をください。Please give me the receipt form. 受取用紙をください。受取用紙をください。I receive the package. 荷物を受け取りました。荷物を受け取りました。The package pickup is here. 荷物の受け取りはここです。荷物の受け取りはここです。This is a receipt. これは受取証です。これは受取証です。The most common synonyms of the word uketori are jushin and shutoku. The word jushin is often used when receiving electronic communications, like emails or signals, while shutoku implies obtaining something, which is more active compared to just receiving. The most common antonyms of the word uketori are soushin and haifu. The word soushin means sending, specifically transmitting data or messages, and is the opposite of receiving. Haifu refers to the distribution or handing out of items, contrasting directly with acceptance.